Namaste everyone, this is Himanshu and welcome to my class. Today we're going to do Hanumanasana. If you're also not able to split your leg on a front side, so this video is really useful for you. Now come to the position, downward facing dog first. Press your palms, push your body, shake your leg up and down for a warm up first. Breathe in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now drop the heels down, right leg forward between your both palms, right leg front first. Drop your left leg down. Now put your hands to the back, straight the leg on the front of you. Inhale, Hamstring, leg straighten, leg forward little more. Now keep your hips in a line, body stretch, look at the front line, inhale. Exhale, bend your knees, hip pushing down, maximum hip push down side. Inhale up. Exhale, hip pushing down, make your chest open. Inhale up. Exhale, hip pushing down. Last 2 rounds. Inhale up. Exhale, hip pushing down. Inhale. Exhale, hip push down, make your chest open. If you can, drop your hands to the floor, or we can use the blocks on your hands. Just going to open and keep pushing your hips down. Keep pushing your hips down. Now here, if you're feeling comfort, try to lift the foot up and push your hips down. Roll the left thigh in, breathe, chest open. Stay there for a 5, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now exhale, look at the front first. Inhale, leg straighten again. Put your hands to the back again. Active the toes in, making the chest up. Take a deep breath, inhale here. Exhale, put your fingertip on the floor beside of your foot. Move forward. Try to turn your hips in a line. Active the foot, lengthen the back. Chin going to upside, length the spine. Try to turn your body. Try to make sure you're both sides of the hips on the same line. Active the toes inward. Breathe, stay there. Breathe in and out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deep. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale deep. Exhale. Now take the blocks on your hands, both sides. Now remember, we have to active the back thigh as well. Turn the thighs inward. Try to make sure you're both sides of the hips on the same line. Active it. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Stomach going to in. Exhale, slide the body and try to whatever your body allows. If you cannot reach on the final position, stay here. If you cannot reach on the final position, stay on last movement of your body. And there, when you cannot move down more, inhale deep, exhale, chest open more. Again, inhale deep, exhale. With the breath, with the exhalation, try to push your body down. Push your body down with the breath. Exhale, stretching your back, chest going to open. Breathe in and out. Active the toes up, chest up more. Turn your back thigh in, rolling your shoulder up. Slowly raising your chest up. Raise your both hands together up. Breathe. Focus on your breath. Move it up. Move it up. Move. Breathe. Slide. 1. Look at upside more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Exhale. Drop the palms down first. Drop your elbows down then. Elbow on the floor. Now again, rolling the back thigh, sliding the body in the front. Elbows turn out. Move out. The counter pose. Stay there. Breathe in and out. Focus. 1. Breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now put your hands to the floor. Tuck the toes in, back toes in. Lift the back up. Inhale. Exhale, move the leg back, downward facing dog again, stretching your legs together again. Push your thoracic in. The same way, we will try another side. Same. Now move the left foot forward between your both palms. Drop your right knee on the floor. Look at your front line. Put your hands to the back. Adjust the leg. Inhale, leg straight, foot up. Keep your hips in a line. Exhale, moving down. Inhale up, lengthen the back up side. Exhales down. Inhale, roll the right thigh in more, turn the foot back. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale. Take the blocks beside of you. Exhale, hip pushing down, rolling your chest, open, roll the shoulder back, chest going to open. Chin up more, push your hip muscle down. Again, possibly try to lift the foot up. Look at up line more, breathe, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. Look at here first. Inhale, leg straighten. Exhale, drop the finger on the floor. Now, feet up, stomach in. Try to make sure you're both sides of the hips on the same line. Chin up. Lengthen the spinal cord. Breathe in and out. 1, activate. 2, that's right. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale deep. Exhale, slide the leg, whatever your body allow. Take the blocks on your hands. Turn the hip line. Stay on the last movement. If you cannot, the same way, inhale. Slowly lose your body with the exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale, moving down, making your chest open. Turn the thighs in. Now slowly raising your hands together up, chest going to open. Turn your spinal cord ladle. Chest up, look up, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now slowly exhale. First, place the palms to the floor. Turn your thighs in. Then slowly drop your elbows down. Slide the body downside. Push your body downside. Stay there. Breathe. Stay there. 1. Breathe in and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now inhale. Come back. Put your hands to the floor. Tuck the toes in first. Lift the back up. Inhale. Exhale, move the leg, shake your leg up and down. Okay, exhale, drop your knee down, relax your body. So if you also not able to reach on the final position, try this way, where your body cannot move down, stay there and focus on your breath. Inhale, and with the exhale, lose your body down. So daily practicing in this way, you will be able to reach on the final position. Hope you like this video. Namaste once again. See you again.